In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to identify a parent in a parent-child hierarchy using the PATHCONTAINS DAX function in Power BI. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your data modeling skills, understanding this function can significantly enhance your ability to work with hierarchical data. Let's start by delving into the PATHCONTAINS function. This function serves as a vital tool when dealing with parent-child relationships in your data models. Essentially, PATHCONTAINS checks whether a specific item exists within a hierarchical path. It's incredibly useful for identifying the presence of a particular node or parent in your hierarchy. To understand how it works, here's a quick look at the syntax. PATHCONTAINS takes two parameters, the path and the item. The path represents a column that contains the hierarchical path, which is typically generated using the path function. The item is the value you're searching for within that path. If the item exists in the path, the function returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. Now let's dive into an example to see how this works in practice. Imagine you have a table named Employee Hierarchy. This table includes columns like Employee ID, which is a unique identifier for each employee, Manager ID, which represents the ID of the employee's manager, and Employee Name, the name of the employee. To begin, you first need to create a path column. This is done by generating a calculated column that will store the hierarchical path from the top-level manager down to each employee. You can do this using the following expression. Employee path equals path employee hierarchy, employee ID, employee hierarchy, manager, D. In creating this column, you're effectively capturing the path from the top of the hierarchy down to the individual employee, which sets the stage for using the PATHCONTAINS function. Next, to determine if a specific manager, let's say the manager with ID 123, is an ancestor or parent of an employee, you will create another calculated column. You might call this column isParent. The expression would be written as isParent equals PATHCONTAINS. Employee hierarchy, employee path, 123. When evaluated, this column will return true if Manager 123 exists in the employee's hierarchical path. In simpler terms, it indicates that Manager 123 is indeed an ancestor or parent of that employee. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully leveraged the PATHCONTAINS function to identify parent relationships within a hierarchy in Power BI. Remember, mastering these DAX functions can greatly enhance your data analysis capabilities and offer you more flexibility in how you interpret hierarchical data structures. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights and tutorials.